In this video, you will learn how to make a sticker collection in Telegram. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video till the end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you're trying it for yourself. So first of all, you have to open your Telegram. Now you have to click on this search icon in a top right corner. After that, you have to search here sticker, and now you have to open this official sticker creating bot from Telegram. Now you have to open it, and as you can see guys, I am trying a lot to create sticker collection in this bot, but I am not able to create any sticker in this bot. So solving this bot, I am using a app called Sticknet. So now you have to open your Google Play Store and download this app and open it. After that, you have to click on this plus icon, and now you have to add a name for your pack. After that, you have to click on this create option, and now you have to add an image. So to adding an image, you have to simply click on this plus icon. After that, you have to select a gallery option. Now add an image which you want to create a sticker. Let's say I want to create a sticker of this image. So first step is you have to click on this magic button, and now this app automatically remove background of the image. After that, your sticker is here, and now you have to click on next button. After that, you will have an interface like this. So here you have to simply click on this border option and add a border. So after that, if you want to add any text in this sticker, so you can do to click on this option, but in this case I don't want to add any text in my sticker. So after that, you have to simply click on next button, and now you will have an interface like this. So here you have to simply click on any emoji, and this emoji will automatically add in your sticker. So let's say I want to add this smiling emoji. As you can see, this emoji automatically end my sticker. After that, you have to click on done in a top right corner, and as you can see, your Telegram sticker pack was created. Now you have to click on plus icon, and again you have to add any sticker in this pack. And after that, if you want to add this pack into your Telegram app, so for that you have to click on export to Telegram option. Now your Telegram will be open. After that, you have to click on here, and as you can see, your sticker pack in your Telegram app. You have to simply click on add sticker, and after that your sticker pack will be added in your Telegram, and that's how you can add any sticker pack in your Telegram. So if this video helpful to you, please kindly subscribe and like this video, and don't miss any update.